Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, LTI 2026 hiring. The exam date is on September 20, 2025. And it is very, very important for you to solve the previous year question asked in LTI examination. Okay. Otherwise, friends, any exam you cannot perform well. So here we are going to solve top 12 questions asked in LTI examination, which will give you a complete idea that what kind of questions will be asked and how are you going to attempt it. Okay, so friends, I request all of you to please do subscribe this YouTube channel so that you will be getting all the updates, preparation videos, everything. We are doing it on our channel. Okay, and also friends, there is a small change in the exam pattern, right? Okay, so that also we will discuss. So the timing, basically it is about the timing which LTI has shared with the student. Okay, so we will talk in detail one by one. So friends, the platform on which the exam will be conducted is none other than SHL. Okay, fine. So dear candidates, greetings from LTI Mindtree. So this exam is happening on campus, so you will be getting link from your college itself. And friends, more PYQ from LTI, right? LTI you will be getting in the description, right? So YouTube video description. So more previous year questions will be there so that you can prepare well for all the exams, for all the sections. Okay, so September 20, 2025 is the exam. Test window link will be active from 1 hours to 001 hours to 23:59 hours on September 2025. Test composition, so logical, aptitude and analytical ability, computer programming, computer science, English comprehension, spoken English, and test duration total 110 minutes, right? So now the total timing is just 110 minutes, okay, which includes your English spoken SVAR test. And the test link and guidelines will be sent to you registered mail from our assessment platform SHL by September 19th, 2025. Clear? Okay. So friends, this is English comprehension, 12 question in 15 minutes. So here only we could see there is small change in the computer programming, right? A small change in the computer programming. So 12 question in 15 minutes. Okay, and remaining things are same. So English comprehension, 12 question in 15 minutes. Logical ability, 12 question in 15 minutes. Quantitative ability, advanced. Okay, so 12 questions and 15 minutes. And basic analytical ability, 25 question in 10 minutes. And computer programming, 12 question in 15 minutes. Computer science, 20 question in 20 minutes. And as far section spoken English, that is seven sections, right? Okay, now friends, so we will solve previous year questions, some of the questions, and see, this will give you an idea that okay, these are the type of questions which will be asked in your exams. Correct? Fine. Now A and B can complete a work in 10 hours. So this is a time and work problem. Okay, so this is a time and work problem, friends, and this can be easily done with the LCM approach. So A and B can complete a job in 10 hours working together. If A takes, okay, if A takes 25 hours to complete the same job working alone, then how much time B will take to complete the work? So friends, first of all, you need to ask yourself what you want. So you want, okay, so how many days B will take to complete the same work? Okay, okay. Now for that, what is required? You need to know the efficiency of B. See, if you know the total work is 200, and if you know I can solve 10 questions in a day, then you can usually tell that sir, you are going to take, you can easily tell that sir, you are going to take 20 days, correct? So here I need to know the efficiency of B. Okay, so that how we will come to know, so that we are going to use LCM technique. Take the LCM of both of this. Sir, I am not comfortable in taking LCM, no problem. So take a number, assume a number which is divisible by both, that is nothing but 50. That became our work. 10 5 times and 25 2 times. This is becomes our efficiency. See, I assumed a number 50. Sir, I want to assume 100. Go ahead. Okay, any number you can assume. And now 50 divided by 10 will give you 5. 50 divided by 25 will give you 2. These are the efficiency. Efficiency means A can do 2 work in a day. A plus B can do 5 work in a day. Now you see, you know, A can do 2 work in a day. A efficiency is 2. Okay. And what is B efficiency? We don't know. And A plus B efficiency, A plus B is 5. A is 2. So B efficiency will be 3. So here B efficiency will be nothing but 3. That's all. Done. Now total work is 50 and who will do this? B. Okay. So B can do 3 works in a day. So 50 by 3, it will be around 16.67 days. Let's see if there is any option. So option C is there. That will become our correct answer. Friends, sir, how much time this question will take to do in the exam? I will tell you. These questions will not even take 10 seconds. See here 10, okay, and here 25. Sir, LCM I will assume 50. So this is 5 times, this is 2 times. So this is A plus B and this is A. So about B, A is 2, so B will definitely be 3. Then only 2 plus 3 will be 5. Now B can do 3 work in a day. Total work is 50. 50 by 3, 16.67. That's all done, right? So the only thing is you need to know the basic. Okay, so you need to know the basics of time and work LCM method. Okay, then only it will become easy for you. Then okay, so I purchased a new car for 3,25,000. So I purchased a new car for 3,25,000. Correct? So this is my cost price basically. Okay, and then insure it for 85% of its value. Now I am going to do the insurance, but insurance is available only for 85% of this value. So this 2020 cancelled. So basically 325 into 85, right? So 25 into 5 is 125. 5 3 is a 15 plus 116. 8 5 is a, okay, so 8 into 25 is 200 and this will be 26. So okay, 5 2 6 7 2. So basically 276250. So 2,76,250 rupees is the value only for which you can do the insurance. You cannot do the insurance for the whole value. You can do the insurance only for the 85% of its price. Okay, that is nothing but 2,76,250 rupees. Now what they are telling, some hooligans completely damage my car and it has to be repaired. The insurance company is now telling, I will not give you the total value back to you. Okay, 2,76,250. Okay, so now I will give you only 90%. In that only you have to do the repair. Okay, so basically 2,76,250, and now insurance company is going to give you only 90%. So this is what you have to calculate and solve. So 27625 into 9. Okay, so 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22, 9 6 are 54 plus 2 56. Okay, 9 7 ja 63 plus 5 68 and 24. So 248625. 248625, option B will become the correct answer. So basically how you could have directly written this particular, the problems I will tell you. Okay, so see, in one line only you write everything. So basically the car price is 3,25,000. Okay, 3,25,000. Now the insurance covered is only for this value, and in this company is giving you only 90%. Now you just solve this, you will be getting 2,48,625. Option B, that will become your correct answer. 2020 cancel, 1010 cancel here. Okay, and then so 40, right? So 1010 cancelled, and now just this value into this value. will be your answer. Correct? Okay, fine. Moving towards next question. Next question is, sir, a machine cost $375. Okay, ideally in rupees only, 375 rupees. If it is sold at a loss of 20%, loss is nothing but 20%. What will be its cost price as a percentage of its selling price? So first of all, we need to calculate the selling price. So selling price will be equal to cost price into, if there is any kind of loss, subtract from 100 and then divide by 100. So your selling price we need to calculate. Cost price is 375 and then loss is 100 minus 20, it is 80 by 100. That means 4 by 5. Now 5, this is 5 7 ja and 5 5 ja. So selling price will become 300. Obviously you bought in $375 and selling in $300, you will be in loss only. Now what they are telling, so what will be its cost price as a percentage of its selling price? See, it is getting compared with what? Selling price. So put selling price down, 300. So cost price is what percentage, okay, as compared to the selling price, right? So this is done. 125% will be the answer. So option D will become the correct answer for this particular problem. You might do a mistake, 300 up, 375 down. In that case, you will be getting answer as 80%, which is wrong, okay? Because the cost price as a percentage of selling price. So cost price is getting compared with selling price. So put selling price down and put cost price up. That's all. You will be able to solve. So this is a question from the topic reasoning, okay? So Subham starts walking towards south. So any direction problem, so this will become your north. First you have to draw the diagram, north, east, south and west, okay? So any direction problem, okay, first draw the diagram. Then Subham started walking towards south, okay? After walking for 15 meters, he turns to his left. Now always in right and left, no friends, your clockwise, in clockwise direction, any rotation will be right, and anti-clockwise direction, any rotation will be left. So put your pen point here. This side will be right side, okay? Clockwise means right, clockwise, so right, and this side will be left. So again in the left, Subham is going 15 meters and again turns to his left and walks 15 meters. Again put your point here, put pen point here. So clockwise means right, that means anti-clockwise will be left. So 15 meters, correct? Okay, now how far is he from the original position? So this is the original position and this person is now here. So if you'll see, that is nothing but 15 meters from the original position and this direction is nothing but east. So 15 meters east. So 15 meters south, no. 15 meters north, no. So it will become none of this. It will become 15 meters east. Correct? Okay. Next question. Next question is a good question. So in an election between two candidates, A and B, 8% of the total number of votes casted were invalid. Okay. So the percentage of the valid votes cast to A. So now total is 1,45,000. Right? Okay. So 8% is invalid. So definitely the 92% will be nothing but the valid votes. True? So this is nothing but the valid votes. Agreed? In an election between two contestants, A and B, 8% of the total number of votes were invalid. The percentage of valid vote cast to A was 56%. Then by how much margin did the candidate A win the election? Now these are the valid votes. In that A is getting 56%. So obviously B will get how much? Sir, B will get 44%. Okay. That means in terms of percentage, A will be winning by B by 8%. Agreed? Now you have to find it out. By how much margin did the candidate A win the election? So basically by 8% of the valid votes. So now 1,45,000 into 92 by 100 and into 8 by 100, right? Because this is nothing but the difference by which, see, these are the valid votes. 56% A will get, 44% B will get, and A is winning by B. Okay, I'm sorry. So 6 minus 4 is 2. This is 12%. Okay, 6 minus 4 is, this is nothing but 12%. This is what we have to solve. So this and this gone, this and this gone. 5 2s are, and 5 29 times. 5 2s and 5 9s are, and 2, this is 6 times. So 6 into 2 is 12. 12 into 9 is 108. So at the end there will be 8. So I could see there is only one option where the unit digit is 8. So I could see there is only one option where, see, now basically 29 into 92 and into 6, right? Okay. So anyway, if you use calculator, because I don't want to multiply now because already the values are here. So 29 into 92 into 6. So it is 16,000, right? See what I told, 9 into 2 is 18. Okay. At the end we have 8. 8 into 6 is 48. So the last digit is 8. So you no need to multiply all this. You could directly take the answer because there is only one option where 8 is as the option. Clear? So question number 5 also clear. Now we will be moving towards the question number 6. Very interesting question, but unfortunately we are able to solve the questions like anything. Okay, fine. Now what they are telling, this is again a very good question. So all the questions are very good questions actually. Interesting question, not tough. See, good means you have to use little bit of your mind. Okay, find the greatest number when divided by this and this, leaves remainder of 50 and 40 respectively. Okay, fine. Now friends, see, if I ask you that you are dividing 7 by 3, okay, if you're dividing 7 by 3, shall I use another color? Okay, so if you divide 7 by 3, I hope this is fine, then what will be remainder? So remainder will be 1. Now if I say from that number you subtract the remainder, then this number will be completely divisible. Yes sir, 6 is completely divisible by 3. So this particular number 55, so this particular number 5522, okay, and 3688. So now here the remainder is 50 and here the remainder is 40. So if I subtract that, that means I can tell it will be divided by whichever the greatest number it is, correct? So 2, 12 minus 5 is 7, 4, 5, 8 and 4, 6, 3. Okay, now, so basically the greatest number whenever they talk, that is nothing but the HCF. Okay, so basically their HCF will be able to divide them, correct? Okay, so now we have to find the greatest number. So here you can find the HCF, but this problem is so easy that you do not even have to find the HCF. Now you see the biggest number is what? 1824. We'll start with that. Now 18 3s are 54, right? And 24 3s are, see, 18 3s are 54 and 24 3s are 72. That means it is 3 times gone. That means it is 3 times gone. Okay, 3 times gone. And this one 18 2s are 36 and 18 and 24 2s are 48. That means it is gone by 2 times. So this, the HCF of this will be nothing but 1824, which will divide both of this number. Okay, and if you divide this particular number 5522 and 3688, then there will be remainder of 50 and 40. I hope it is clear. So without even finding HCF, this question we have solved because the data given was very, very easy. Correct? Okay, next. This is little time taking process, but very interesting. I mean, I like solving aptitude problem, and these are the questions which are very, very unique and good question. Okay. So the sum of 7 consecutive odd number is 931. So 7 consecutive odd number. So I will start with x. So x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 9 and x plus 11. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x plus 13. These are 7 consecutive odd number. And their sum. So basically their sum they have given, their sum. So basically their sum is nothing but 931. This is what they have given, correct? Okay. X is 7 times, so 7x. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 and plus 24 is 49. See, if you want to use 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so you can use arithmetic progression to, total how many terms? 7 terms. So 7 by 2 into first plus last. So 13 plus this, 13 plus 1. So 1 plus first term plus last term. So 7 by 2 into 14. So 2 7 ja, 7 into 7 will be 49. You can do that also, but I just added it. I don't want to make the problem more complicated. So 7x will be equal to 11 minus 9 is 2, 12 minus 4 is 8, and this is 8. Okay, 882. Or x is equals to, you can say 7 12 ja is 84 and 7 6 ja is 42. Right? Okay, so 7x and x value we got. Now they're telling find out the next 7 consecutive odd number sum. So next is nothing but x plus 15. Right, from here you start. So what is sum of the, okay, and then x plus 17, and then x plus 19, x plus 21, this is 4 times, x plus 23 5, x plus 25, okay, and plus x plus 27. Right, so basically we have to find out 7x plus, see here you can use AP. First term is 15, last term is 27 into total number. See, basically if you have 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. So these are in arithmetic progression because the difference between the numbers are same. In that case your sum will become, okay, sum will become n by 2 into first term plus last term. So n is 7, 7 by 2 into 15 plus 27. This is what I am doing here. So 7 by 2 into 42. So this is 7 into 21, 147, right? So 7x plus 147. Now 7x is what? 882 and plus 147. This will be nothing but 929. So option D will become the correct answer. See, this is not a tough problem because, see, for whom you are writing all this data. I don't want to, tell you how to write because I'm damn sure you are aware about this, right? See, for whom you are writing all this data. See, simple, the sum of 7 consecutive odd number. So x plus 1, right? So 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And the last will be x plus 13. Okay, 7 times x plus first number is 1, last number is 13, and then total number of terms is 7, so it will become 49. Okay, they have given 931. So 7x is equals to 882 and x is equals to 126. Right, so this is the data we got. Okay, now then next they are telling, so x plus 15, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. If you want to find out the term, that also we can do. So again 7 by 2 into 15 plus 27. So it will be nothing but 7 by 2 into 42. So 21 times 147. 147 plus 7x. 7x we have already got 882. So 882. So it is 929. See, the only thing is, if you know how to do, if we have done earlier this kind of question, then that's all. Then the problem is not tough. You will be easily able to solve it. Correct? Okay, so let me a little bit of zoom I should do. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, so this is fine. Now question number 8. So question number 8, already it's 24 minutes, but that's fine. So the table shows the total students in 5 different classes and the ratio of boys to girls, and also on the percentage of pass out of boys in each class. So total number of students is this, boys is to girls is this, percentage of pass student is this. Now what percentage is approximately the number of boys passed from 5th and 7th together? So now you see, from 5th and 7th, let us calculate the number of boys passed. So from 5th, total number of students is 90. Boys plus girls ratio is 7:2. So 7:2 means I can write 7 plus 2, 9 unit is equals to 90. So 9 is 90. So 1 is nothing but equal to 10. 1 is nothing but equal to 10. So that means number of boys is nothing but 70 and number of girls is nothing but 20, because 1 unit is nothing but 10. Now total 70 boys and percentage of passed boys is nothing but 30%. So that is nothing but 21. So from the class 5th, 21 boys are passed. Now in class 7th, total is 175, okay, and boys is to girls ratio is 4:3. So 4 plus 3, that means 7 unit is equals to 175, okay. So 7 unit is 175. So 1 unit will be equal to 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 25, right? So 4 unit is 4 into 25 is 100. Anyway, we are interested in boys only for this problem. Otherwise, we are interested in opposite gender, opposite, okay. अरे यार, जब भी जेंडर का बात होता है कविता पे ध्यान चला जाता है. It's okay. Now, so okay, 38% of boys is passed here, भैया. So total boys is 100 and 38% is nothing but, sir, 38. Okay, sir, 38. So from 5th and 7th, so 28 plus 38 means total 59 boys has passed. Clear? So this is the data interpretation problem. Next they are telling more or less we will see later, okay, less than the number of boys failed from 6th and 9th. So now 6th and 9th number of boys who are failed. So in 5th and 7th we have passed number of boys, but there it is failed. No problem. See, if 30% is passed, then 70% will be failed. If 25% is passed, then 75% will be failed. If 38% is passed, then 62% will be failed. If 18% is passed, then 82% will be failed. And here 80% will be failed. Okay. Now, so 6th and 9th. So 6th, total number of student is, okay, now, so 4:1. So 4:1, that means 4 plus 1, 5 unit is equals to 100. Okay, 5 unit is equals to 100. So 1 unit will be equal to 20. So boys 4 unit. So 4 unit means nothing but it will be nothing but, sir, 80. Okay, 75%. So 80, 75% will be what? Sir, 24 ja, 25 ja, and 5 15 times, that is nothing but 60. Correct? Okay. Then we will see in here. So 7 plus 3, 10 unit is equals to 150. So 1 unit will be equal to 15. So number of boys 15 into 7, 105. And how many are failed? Sir, 80% are failed. Here also we took 70% are failed. So 105 into 80%. So 24 ja, 25 ja, and 5 21 times. This will be nothing but 84. So number of students failed here, 60 plus 84, that is nothing but 144. Okay. Now what they're telling, the number of boys passed is less or more. Okay, so how much percentage less or more the number of boys failed? So this is passed and this is failed. Okay, the comparison is happening from the failed one. So put failed in the down. And what is the number? So 14 minus 9 is 5 and 13 minus 8 is 5. 85 into 100. Okay, now so 14 into 5 will be 70. So 70 plus 2, 72. So it will be around 6. So around this will go as 59%. Okay, okay, because 6 times will be what? So 6 4 ja will be okay. So anyway, if you want, you can divide it by what is there in that. So 144, this is 5 times, so 5 4 are 20, and 70 plus 2 72, 0 3 1, and then 9 times. Okay, so 14 9s are 140, and minus 41 26. Yeah, so 9 times, so around 59% will be the 59% less will be the answer. Correct? Okay, now moving towards the question number 9. Question number 9. So Marianne has rupees 4 in 50 paise. So Marianne has total rupees 4. Okay, and he or she, whatever it is, 50 paise coin and 1 rupees coin. Now you have to tell how many 50 paise coin does she has. So this is a data sufficiency problem. So these are the options. So options you don't see, the options are related to the next page it has been given. Okay, next page it has been given. Now, so Mariani has total rupees 4. In that 50 paise coins he has and 1 rupees coins he has. Okay, now statement 1 says, so you have to tell how many 50 paise coin she has. So she has less 50 paise coins than 1 rupees coins. Now, so in statement 1 what I will do, see, she has less 50 paise coin and more 1 rupees coin, and total she can have 4 rupees. Now let me take 1 rupees coin 1, then here I need 3 rupees, that means 6. So this is not a possibility because 50 paise coin is less. Here if I take 2 rupees, see, I need to make total 4 rupees. Here I take 1 rupees coin 2, that means 2 rupees. Then here I need to take, it is, and then here also 50 paise coin is more. Then I will take 3 1 rupees coin. Then 50 paise coin I'll have to take 2. 3 rupees and 2 50 paise coin is 1 rupees. So this is one place which I can conclude. Okay, if I take 4 rupees coin, then here I cannot take any coin, right? Okay, so now this also statement 1 can tell, see, she has less 50 paise coin, she has some coins. Otherwise you will say, sir, this I will take all 1 rupees coin, I will take 4 rupees, and here it will become 0. So that is not a possibility. Correct? Okay, because they're asking how many 50 paise coin does she has. Okay, next statement 2, she has a total of 5 coins. So she has total of 5 coins. So this is the only possibility where, right? See, either you can do this one. Okay, either you can do 1 4, so it will not become 5 rupees. Okay, or you can do 1 4, so it will become 4.5 rupees, right? So there is no other choice. You can do 3 2, so again it will become 3.5, right? Okay, so here you can say both, right? So individual option, so mark 1 as the answer if the question can be answered using one of the statement alone but cannot be answered using the other statement alone. Mark 2 as the answer if the question can be answered by using either of the statement alone. So here we will go for mark 2 as the answer if the question can be answered by using both the statement alone, right? So when they are asking that how many coins, how many 50 paise coins does he have, so you have to tell, okay, so you have some coins, it cannot be 0 here. Okay, if you consider 0, then there will be only one option which can answer. Okay, next question number 10. If 32 is equals to 961, okay, and 40 is equals to 1521, correct, then what number shall replace x in 50 is to x? Correct? Okay, now you see here 32 is square, right? No, 32 minus 1 is square, so this is nothing but 31 square. 31 square is 961, correct? Okay, here 40 minus 1 square, so 39 square. 39 square is nothing but 1521. Same thing, so here 50 minus 1 square, so 49 square, and 49 square will be nothing but 2401, very close to 2500, right? So option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem, right? Okay. So in a certain code, reasoning is coded as 111. REASONING, right? Okay. So friend, this kind of question, no, it can be solved only with alphabetical position. That is very, very clear. If you know the alphabetical position, then only you will be able to solve it. Now reasoning, so R, see, first of all you need to keep in mind ISO-T, means 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now here R, so R looks like 8, so 18, E is 5, A is 1, S, sir, S looks like 9, 19, O, ISO-T, O is 15, November 14 is Children's Day, I is 9, N November 14th, and G is 7, G7 countries, right? Okay. Now you add this, so 23, 24, okay. 24 plus 20 is what? Sir, 44, minus 1, 43. 43 plus 15. So 43 plus 10 is 53, 58. 58 plus, okay, 58 plus 16. 58 plus 2 is 60, 72. 72 plus 9 is 81. 81 plus 4, 85, 95. 95 plus 7 is 102. But it is 111. So we are sort of 9. From where this 9 is coming? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically, this is nothing but the sum of alphabetical numbers, right? Sum of alphabetical positions and plus number of letter. So this 9 is nothing but number of letter, correct? Okay. Now in aptitude, so A is 1, Prince 16, T 20 match, I is 9, T is 20, U 21, D is 4, E is 5. Now, so here if you'll see, 16 plus 4 is 20, right? So 16 plus 4 is 20, okay, and 20, 40, 40 plus 2 is 20 is 60, and 60 plus this will become 30, 90, 90 plus 5, 95, 96. So this is 96 plus how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8. So it is 104. 104 means option D will become the correct answer for this particular problem. What is this 8? So this 8 is nothing but number of letters. It's number of letters. Number of letters means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? Okay. Next question is, if planet is coded as, okay, so if planet is coded as 19, 36, 4, 42, 8 and 60. So basically if you'll try to see here, P is 16, okay, L is 12, A is 1, this is 14, this is 5 and this is 20. So this here it is multiplied by 3. No, sorry. Here it is added 3. 16 plus 3, 19. Here it is multiplied by 3. Here it is added by 3. Here it is multiplied by 3. Here it is added by 3. Here it is multiplied by 3. Correct? Okay. Now we have to find out for galaxy. So this is 7. This is 1. This is 12. This is 1. This is 24. This is 25. Correct? Okay. Same thing we will do here. So here we will add plus 3. So it is 10. Here it is multiplied by 3. 3. Okay. So 10, 3. So this, okay. So there are two options we'll see. And then plus 3, 15. And then into 3, 3. So 10, 3, 15, 3. Okay. So option C. And then plus 3. So 25. And then into 3. That means 75. So 24 plus 3. 27. So the answer will become option C for the question number 12. Okay. So friends, I hope the session was interesting and you are able to understand each and every question. These are the question which has been asked in LNT or LTI examination. So please go through once again, understand each and everything, and go and write the exam. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care. And the remaining questions, we will be putting it in the description. From there, you download it and read it. Take care. Bye bye.